Good morning, all. Myself Nimit Jain from Arya College of Engineering IT. In last two lectures, we studied about SEM and how we use SEM. We further study of SEM in this lecture. So there is an example of SEM work and organization. This is his background. The commitment of work and organization, teacher educations and all these things. The example again, the commitment of work. Then how we distribute the functions, dependent variable and independent variable, and how work is distributed in organization models. This is SEM. A drop of the mail back methodology and use of paper and the pencil test. Total 390 questionnaires out of how dependent and 319 questionnaires are mail of 500 is our returns, and this form the participant most common age category is 40 and 49s. The model hypothesis is given by this hypothesis. We given the formulations by support the management and functional group and similar group V positive, and second is by hypothesis 2, and this is example we distribute in by dependent and independent variable. This is commitment of work and organization, and commitment of organization in this is 10 variables, so 55 data points in this functions as formula n into n plus 1 upon 2. This example is the primary sample size should be at least 50 unit. Then we draw a sketch. Outliers may be put outside. Then we also find out the skewness, use histogram. Then this is data. Large sample of significance data is not important. The actual size and visual appearance of the distribution is less than 10. This is commitment of work and examples. Then commitment work and organization is model estimation. The model estimations by using Lizerl. Lizerl is a software which is used in various technique, and MOS is also as a software, and one example of SEM. The SEM commitment work of organization is given by this example Lizerl. Then model estimations, how table contain we use model fit, goodness of fit. Then model estimation is by goodness of fit statics, chi-square method use the. Then model estimations is given by these variables. An example of commitment of work and organization, the model estimation plot is this. This is our figure, how we use and it simplify. Commitment work of organizations example is continuous. The conclusion is that SEM is the proven to be a very versatile statistical toolbox for educational researchers when we use to confirm theoretical structures. Perhaps the greatest strength of SEM is requirement of prior knowledge of phenomena under examination. Disadvantage of SEM are simple to point out. Researchers must be very careful with the study design when SEM for exploratory work. The mentioned earlier, the use of the term casual modeling referring to SEM is misleading because the SEM is not casual. The sense of interrelative about the SEM. The SEM is ability to analyze more complex relationship, produce more complex software. Example is result EQS AMOS. When analyzing scientific reports methodology based on SEM, usually result model can notice lack for too often decent identification inspection, which is parameter of estimations. Then conclusion is the specify of SAM is one must pay extra attention when interpreting causal relationship, since multivariate and data assumes the several limitation linear analysis because really seldom linear, stable when small size is sample size very less than 2, and if sample size is bigger than that, then we cannot do chi-square. So this is our SAM's topic. And what is the conclusion? Cell allow program allow calculate the modeling indicate which the help the researcher to fit the model of our data. Now we conclude our chapter. Thank you very much.